How to uninstall and reinstall LightCut app. Need a fresh start with LightCut? Uninstalling and reinstalling it is simple, and let's see how to do it. First, find the LightCut app on your home screen. Once you find it, tap and hold on it until a menu appears. In the menu, you can find the uninstall option. It looks like the trash icon. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, tap on delete again to confirm the deletion. Now your app is uninstalled from the device. To reinstall it, go to the Play Store, search for LightCut, and tap Install to download the latest version. Reinstalling can solve persistent bugs or performance issues. It's often faster than troubleshooting multiple settings. Have you ever reinstalled LightCut to fix an issue? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can uninstall and reinstall LightCut app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.